You start by explaining your business processes and your objectives, expecting that they'll get back to you with the insights that you need to drive your business forward. 2 weeks later, they get back with the first version, and it seems like they've barely understood your business. So you ask them to reiterate, ask them to pull in the data from the right sources, get the right reports, the right metrics. This goes on, and before you know it, a few months have already passed. And you're left questioning whether this analytics project was the right investment or not. We know your pain. Hi, my name is James. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Codygon Technologies. Our team at Codygon understands the challenges that businesses face, and we've created a solution called Tower that creates dashboards automatically using AI. And I'm here to show it to you. Tower makes it super simple to create dashboards. Let's create one now. I'll click Create Report and click on New Data Connection. We have a variety of sources to choose from. Let's go ahead and choose CSV for now. I'll drag and drop a sample CSV file that I have over here and hit Upload. If it was an Excel file, Tower would show me different sheets I can choose. Since this is a CSV, you only have one table to work with. So let's go ahead and click Next. Tower generates semantics automatically from data. Semantics give more context to data. This allows it to generate the right kind of charts, and even the user chats are much more contextual. You can see that there's data type, the semantic type, and the semantic label, and the meaning. For now, I'll go ahead and click Quit Generate. You can see that our report is now in the queue. Let's go back to our dataset and try generating another report. This time I'll choose the Edit and Generate option. On this page, I can edit the semantics and the data type. If I have some personally identifiable information and I want to hide it, I can go ahead and check this box. If I want to edit the meaning of any column, I can do that. If I find there's an ambiguity and I want to clear that, I can do that here. I'll hit Next, and this takes me to the data transformation page. You can do transformations within Tower itself. Tower generates some recommendations on what transformations you can apply. I can pick one from here, and I'll write the code and generate the transformations automatically. You can even paste formulae or just describe what you want here. You can see that it generated this transformation. This is the Python code that we have. You can see that it created a new column for rolling average. I can hit Next, and this allows me to configure the semantics for that newly created column. I'll leave it at that and hit Next. In this section, we have the option to personalize the dashboard. If I don't want to see pie charts, I can go ahead and say I don't want pie charts. If I want to particularly see a metric, I'll go ahead and paste that in. I'll leave it blank and hit Generate. Let's go to the report section. Our report is now ready. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. The Tower generated this entire dashboard for us. We can see the KPI cards on top, different charts at the bottom, and the filter panel on the left. We can see additional tabs on the bottom, which show more charts. We also have a story dashboard, which is a presentation view of the different metrics that we have. It covers descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Let's go back home and apply a filter. Let's just look at values in the Europe region. I'll reset the filters. I want to chat with my charts to get some more insights. Let's take a look at this total revenue. I want to see which channels bring in the most revenue. Let's go ahead and do that. I'll type that in. Let's wait for it to generate a result. It gave us the result. Channels ranked by the total revenue. You can see we have the subscription channel which has the most revenue. I'll go ahead and close this since I don't have any changes to make here. Let's actually go ahead and make a change to this pie chart. I can either chat with it or I can configure it. I have the option to configure it manually if I wanted to, with the highest, lowest, and different styles that I have, a donut chart or a pie chart, or if I wanted to change the chart itself. But I can go ahead and do that with chat. Let me go ahead and change it to a bar chart. Change to a bar chart. You can see it generated this chart automatically for us. I'll hit save to apply the changes. As you can see, we have a bar chart here. That was a brief overview of what Tower can do. Tower has powerful features like Agentic AI actions, which allow you to take actions right from Tower's dashboard. You don't have to switch between different systems. We also have scheduled data refreshes with email alerts and deep drill downs. Stay tuned for more. If you're interested in Tower, contact us. What will you create today?